As a professional chef, we are always looking out for inspiration. It's our menus we have to keep exciting. It's our diners we have to keep happy, to keep our businesses growing and successful. That's why Unilever Food Solutions is proud to present Chefs Who Share. We have created a platform for 4 up-and-coming chefs from around South Africa as they grow their passion in our kitchens while also sharing their insights, new recipes and fresh ideas to inspire you and your customers. These 4 chefs will show us what the youth are made of, their passion, unique flavor, their hunger for knowledge, and we'll find out what it takes to work as a team. You see, we believe in sharing passion, sharing skills, sharing stories.
Ooh, I'm ready. Ready when you are.
There's a drop.
Can you smell? Ooh. Excited.
Look at this color. Looks like money, I'm telling you.
Like any special occasion? Prawns.
Do I still look cute?
I think when I'm doing desserts, I have like this weird smile that they call the crazy smile.
Show me that person and I'll bring the knives and the pots and the pans.
I'm Chef Craig Elliott. I'm here to help these young chefs experiment, explore, and share their passion with you. All in a bid to inspire us, to inspire you, and to inspire a new generation of chefs.
Am I working hard? Yes. Not really, chef, because I love what I'm doing.